After one of the best performances we might have ever seen from a Wales side against North Macedonia to put us in the World Cup playoffs, we now know who will be playing en route to North America. The 7-1 drubbing at the Cardiff City Stadium was by far the biggest win of Craig Bellamy's tenure in charge of the national side, and our biggest competitive victory in terms of the scoreline in decades. It sealed our fate as second in the group, and in March, we'll need to win 2 games in order to make the finals. Both of those fixtures will be at home because of how the draw worked, and up first will be a Bosnia-Herzegovina side who Wales have never beaten in 4 matches against them. They're ranked 39 places below Wales in the FIFA World Rankings, but were well on their way to making the World Cup directly, if not for a late equaliser in their final match of qualifying. Beat Bosnia-Herzegovina, and it's another home tie against either Northern Ireland or Italy at the Cardiff City Stadium. Either side bring their own challenges, facing the home nations is always tough, and Italy, who have failed to qualify for the last 2 World Cups, have been a dominant force in football in the past. Wales famously beat the Azzurri in 2002 thanks to a goal from now manager Craig Bellamy, so we'll need to produce another historic performance to qualify and be one of the 48 teams in the new expanded World Cup. Wales qualified for their first World Cup in more than 60 years last time out in Qatar, so players and fans will be eager to replicate that and put Wales back where they belong, on the biggest stage in world football. James Peach Watkins, reporting for local TV.